Our new dough packs are in. Let's make some dough. Open up inside our baking steel bracelets, directions, the flour and the salt combo, and a little bit of yeast. Dump your dry ingredients in and then just whisk it up for about a minute. Next, we're gonna add our room temperature water and then mix it by hand for about 2 or 3 minutes. Cover it and then leave it at room temperature for 12 hours. Then place it in the fridge for 2 or 3 days. And then we're gonna remove it, divide it, and ball it up. So divide these up, and then we're gonna flour up our hands, and we're gonna do the fold and press. Very gently fold it and then press it together. Put that smooth side in your hands and your palm and close that seam up and repeat 4 times. We're gonna put these dough balls back in the container, close it up and let them rest for 4 or 5 hours. And then we're gonna fire up the baking steel and make some pizza.